These new robots could make AI-powered robotics as common as laptops. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at CyberGuy.com. See why so many people get my newsletter for free. AI development company Hugging Face just dropped 2 open source humanoid robots, and they are about to shake up the industry. Why? Well, first up is Hope Jr. It's a full-size humanoid with 66 degrees of freedom. What does that mean? Well, it can walk, wave, and even manipulate objects, all for under $3,000. Then there is Reachy Mini, a desktop robot that talks, listens, finally, and tests your AI apps with a price tag as low as $250. What does this mean for you? Well, for the first time, advanced robotics is within reach for developers, researchers, and folks just like you and me. Why? Well, no more million-dollar barriers or closed black box systems. Here's the question, though, for you. If anyone can build, tweak, and train their own robots, are we ready for what's happening next? And what does that mean for our future? Drop your thoughts below. Let me know what you think. More cool tech like this at my website, cyberguy.com. That is the spot you also can get my free newsletter.